Sorry, I've been gone for a while, guys, but basically, I scaled a huge Crack Revenue campaign. If you don't know what Crack Revenue is, it's like an adult network. They have a bunch of adult offers you can promote and sell. Basically, I scaled it to $2 million profit. Not all profit, I'll show you how much I spent, but that's like a 4x ROI, okay? So that's really, really big in adult marketing. I scaled it super fast because I didn't want to get copied. I don't even know if any of the spy tools picked up on the campaign, hopefully not, but that's $2 million. And I put together this slideshow for you guys because I didn't want to have to blur out a ton of stuff. I just wanted to show you straight up what happened. And this is my traffic junkie spending proof. So for the last 2 weeks, this is how long I ran the campaign for. And then the cost was $500,000. Okay. The first day was definitely somewhere around like 30K just to like test a few different campaigns and hone in everything fast. And I tested tons of offers over time. I'll explain how I do this, but this video is not basically about this campaign, but it's about this 3-day campaign because it's a little bit more exciting. I want to show more in detail both of these campaigns, but you'll see. And just with $100 per campaign to test offers, I know what offers convert. And the offer I scaled is called Chaturbate. And Chaturbate is a freaking great offer. And it has a rev share lifetime, and it's just a super popular offer with people. And I basically found an opportunity for it. Okay, so that was worldwide. I was able to enter new audiences. I was so honed in this last 2 weeks. Like, I basically had to convert a lot of the language of English into, and all my ads and everything into other languages. Okay, like crazy in tons of countries. I can't even name all the countries. That's how much work I've done for the last few weeks. So I had to hone in on that, maintain my cash cow channel. I totally neglected the personal brand. Sorry about that. But I did make a new program for the personal brand in my downtime, and it's called the Done For You system. And man, is it one of the best offers I've ever had for the personal brand. So you can check that out down below if you want. The key to the success here was I basically had super high click-through rate and a no-brainer desire for them to convert. And how I did that was inside the ad, and I just direct linked. And I'm sorry I can't show you guys the winning ad because it's too explicit for YouTube. But the winning ad, basically, it was congruent through and through. It looked like Chaturbate, and I put some of the most popular models on Chaturbate onto my ad, and it just made it super desirable for people to click and go sign up. People who have never done it before, and especially because it's worldwide, those are new audiences that don't even know about it. Now, this is about how I spent $100,000 into just the last 3 days as a big comeback video since I've been gone for 2 weeks. And I scaled this huge campaign to $2 million. And I'll tell you how much I made back at the end. So here's how much I spent on Traffic Junkie. I spent $103,000. The clicks was 500,000 clicks past 3 days there, and just ended yesterday, which was Saturday. And then, so the first step, I tested hundreds of offers for the last few years, and I just know what offers do bad, what does okay, and what does super fantastic. So this is actually the top offer, basically, on Crack Revenue. I don't know if affiliates have made the most money with this one. I believe the biggest one's My Free Cams is the biggest that's paid out, but this one paid out me. You'll see at the end. Okay. And this is the ad that won for this specific last 3-day offer. This is not an explicit ad, so I could show it. I did 5 different ads, but this is the winner. Why this ad won is because here's a celebrity and then our solutions. And I just kept it simple. I even left out one of the other things that the HIMS offer gives, which is another thing with erectile dysfunction. And then I just did click here, and I made the click here as big as possible. People like to click buttons that look like that, and it's just a link looking thing. Okay, it's not even a button. And it's big, it stands out, and it's clickable. Got a super high click-through rate and everything. My target on Traffic Junkie, all the sites available that they have, I advertised on for this campaign. Same with the other campaign. And the ad dimensions are 300 by 250. And why it is that is because there's just so much ad placement for this specific ad dimension. With my other campaign, I actually scaled more than just doing this. I did a bunch of other ad dimensions so I could scale all over the place, but the best converting is definitely this one right here. I did United States for this specific offer, and then I did actually all genders, and then the orientations was, it converted best with straight traffic, but it also converted with all the other types of orientations out there. And I mainly did it with desktop because this is a website that is optimized for mobile, but people have to bring out their credit card, and they convert with the credit card on desktop better than mobile. Now I did all browsers, okay, all the browsers. I didn't select any specific browser. It doesn't really matter. Sometimes it does, but not fully, and so I just left it broad. And then direct linking, I just direct linked. And then the first day I spent like 30K. It's just like the other one. That's how I like to do things. And then the profit to test, it was just 5 different campaigns. I was testing different things like the orientations, testing different genders to see what was converting the best. And then, I also tested mobile and things like that. In each of these campaigns, I tested all the different ads I had, okay, which was just 5 different ads. All right, so my profit from spending $100,000 on ads here. So the HIMS offer right here, and then I literally made a 2x, a little higher than 2x ROI. So that's $230,000. And anyway, that's what has happened. And I hope this inspires you guys because you can make a ton of money doing adult marketing. It's not that hard at all, but it does require, knowledge and understanding what to do, how to scale fast, actually having a big budget to get this type of results. But even if you guys have $50, you can start testing campaigns. It's going to be hard to just throw $50 and instantly be profitable because you have to test a lot of things. I don't fully recommend just copying exactly what I did here, guys, because I scaled these as high as they can basically go. And they're very, very recent campaigns. I would not do the same thing as what I did. I wouldn't copy my specific ad I showed inside of this video. But there's a lot of tricks to the trade. I mean, I used a credit card to get travel points, cashback rewards, and stuff. So there's a lot more money that was made just from that alone. Hopefully, this inspires you guys. I've had lots of, actually, not like lots, but I mean, I've had a few multi-million-dollar campaigns, not all the way up to $2 million with adult yet. Until now, until this month, I did it, and it's really, really cool. So I know I can keep doing it again and again, and I can do it with different markets, different CPA networks, different affiliate marketing networks, and not just Crack Revenue. And the opportunity is endless with adult marketing. So hope this inspires you guys, and take action on your dreams. If you want to learn more from me, you can check out the programs down below. This is not about selling any programs to you guys. I could just do this stuff all on my own and not give a crap, but I do want to grow a personal brand. I care about that a lot. And I love the community we're growing here of the learning machines. Let's go. Also, one last thing. I spent the $100,000 as a big comeback video because I'm also launching the Done For You system, which is one of the most exciting offers I've ever created for you guys. And the reason why is because it's a double back refund guarantee, and every single person who gets inside of the Done For You system gets results. That's the whole entire purpose of the whole system. There's a lot of courses out there. Some people succeed, some people don't. But the Done For You system, it's all done for you. There's only a few steps that we have to do, and it's all set up super fast within 1 to 2 days. And you can learn more about it in the link in the description. Basically, it's going to make a lot of people a lot of money. It's very, very powerful. So I'll see you guys in more videos. Peace out, learning machines.